How do I change the widget type of the delete field in the Django form set? I'm using a form set with can_delete equals true. I want to change the widget of the delete field to a hidden input. I can't seem to find a good way to do this. What I've tried is change the forms widget to hidden input and or add a hidden field in the form definition. Do the above with a change in the form set. If I do these both, it does actually change the field to hidden, but this seems like a bit of a hack, effectively overriding the usual @_fields method. How are you supposed to do this? ==edit ==. It turns out that using a hidden field is not so good with the form framework anyway. You should definitely use a checkbox and hide it with CSS. If you wanted to adjust the CSS of the checkbox in Django, I still think you have to change the @_fields method as above, which then allows you to change the widget CSS.
It doesn't change anything if your input is of type =hidden, or if it is of type =checkbox and display none. The elegant way in CSS would look like this. Or in JavaScript. Or in the admin. That seems like a better direction to take because it won't change your JavaScript code and it's one line of code versus so much Python hacks.
The shortest code to accomplish what you need is it cannot be considered a hack because it's mentioned in the official Django docs. This URL. Django sources to read. Definition of deletion _field_name, definition of @_fields method, the place in which @_field is called, after a form is constructed, so you cannot do anything in form._init_.
Setting self.can_delete to false solved my problem.